Hi there. Let's move forward. Let's see how is the world today. We have here Dow Jones, SP, NASDAQ, Russell all going down. That's just fine. Talking here about 0.5%. Let's see further. In the last 5 days. Okay. Last month. Well, it's all-time high. 12% high in the last 6 months. 2% high. Look at this. I think everyone remind this, right? Here's around the beginning of the war with Iran, and people, of course, going for safety. And here's how fast it recovered. Here by the year, in 1 year is around 28% high. Since the beginning of the year is 4%, so 1% a month. Well, imagine 12% a year, right? Nothing to see here. Things seems to be just fine. Okay. US market summary. The Federal Reserve is widely expected to hold interest rates between 3.5 and 3.7% range during its policy meeting on April 29. Okay. Let's see how it goes, right? As far as we see, there's no reason to decrease the interest rate. Unfortunately, the tariffs have made the situation a bit more complicated. The labor market, the job market, is one of the more poor markets since 1930. The numbers that the government are sharing, they have been revised down, and we are actually with a negative net of jobs. The current administration, as we see, are not concerned about show a little bit of the reality, and they are dedicating quite a lot of time just moving pieces around and avoiding to face the negative news we have. What we have more in here. Oh, the upcoming earnings. So Alphabet, Microsoft, Amazon, Apple. So all of these companies here, they are heavily invested into AI. They have been conducting a huge amount of layoffs. The one that is, I would say, more healthy here is exactly Apple. Apple, I think we may be surprised because they are not burning cash into AI. Instead, they actually hired Alphabet to build the AI on their behalf, which is a very smart move considering all of the limitations that we have right now in the struggle with the AI. So we may expect not good news from Microsoft and Amazon. Most probably those companies are going to share a huge amount of profit. However, these are coming on the expenses of layoffs. What else we have here? Semiconductor, pretty much NVIDIA, Intel. Okay. Oh, this is something that I like to see from time to time. You see here the daily gainers, right? We have a pharmaceutical company here up to 23%. So let's see how things are going, right? Here on the month, look in the month. See, this is a well-defined trend. This is a downtrend, okay? And all of a sudden, this company just go up high. In the last 6 months, it's going up, all right? And in the last 12 months, is also going up. So this is something good and interesting happening here. Let's see what happened actually with these guys. He's saying that here, why Kiniksa Pharmaceuticals International stock raised nearly 24% higher today. Biotech delivered a bet and raise first quarter. So it's about the quarter results. Okay. Released its inaugural 2026 earning reports and with key fundamentals and bet analysis estimates. Okay. So it's because of the news and also the results. So what they brought to the table? The net income more than double, 22 million. So it's a quite small company, The earning per share is 0.27, which is quite good. So the revenue is increasing, the EPS is increasing. I'm not sure, this is a pharmaceutical industry, is quite young. Let's see how it goes, but you know, we're showing something interesting here. I think that's all for today. Have a nice end of day.